the relation between the permutation and combination and the difference between a permutation and a combination. Simple, that is permutation is nothing but the arrangement of things in which the order of things is also to be considered. In a combination, the order of things is not to be considered. That is why we have seen yesterday that NCR is equal to R factorial into P of n comma R. So that is, the selection can be lead to an arrangement, that is a combination can be lead to a permutation with a simple multiplication of R factorial. Now the things that are to be remembered, some results that are to be remembered, let us see now. In the first result, if you see the first result, some relations to be remembered. First one, you can see it is NPR plus R into P of, or you can write it in this way also, N minus 1 PR minus 1 is equal to N plus 1 PR. That is, totally how many things are there? N plus 1 things are there. How many things are taken at a time? R at a time. If you see this carefully, this N plus 1 is becoming N, R is same, N plus 1 is becoming N, and if you see this one, N plus 1 is becoming N minus 1 here. You can see this is R into P of NPR minus 1. So understand this carefully now. There are N plus 1 things, dissimilar things, and R things are taken at a time. Then how it is split like this? What is this? 1 reduced, it becomes N, and here R taken. That means a particular thing is always avoided here. A particular thing is always avoided here. That means a particular thing is excluded. A particular thing excluded, understand. And if you see this one thing reduced here, and in R also one thing reduced. That means in both the cases one thing is reduced, but that thing is added here, that is included here. So this is nothing but a particular thing is always included, understand. So how do you understand this? This is the sum of a particular thing excluded and a particular thing is included is nothing but the total number of permutations. Understand it. N plus 1 PR is equal to NPR plus R into NPR minus 1. Of course, if you want to derive this, you can apply the formula n factorial by n minus R factorial. Here also, n factorial upon n minus R plus 1 factorial. And if you simplify this, you will be getting this, of course. But you must always see this formula using the principle of counting or fundamental theorem and arithmetic. What does it mean? A particular thing excluded, a particular thing always included. Let us suppose you are 6 friends. You are 6 friends attending an interview after your BTech. Let me say, attending an interview after your BTech for 4 posts. These 4 posts are into, one is into software development, another one is into admin, let me say, another one into operations, another one into marketing, let me say. Your 6 friends are attending for this 4 posts for an interview, and which are into different fields like this. Now, one of your friend taken recommendation from some minister, let me say, some minister. Then when he takes the recommendation of the minister, he must be included in one of these posts because he has that recommendation. So that is why what these people has to do, first of all, they have to accommodate your friend who has got some recommendation into any one of these posts. So he can be included in any one of these posts in how many ways? 4 different ways. Let me say, either software or admin or operations or marketing, 4 different ways. Into, now he is already included in one of these posts. How many posts are remaining? Only 3 are remaining. How many friends are remaining? How many of you are remaining? 1 is already excluded. So this is 6 minus 1, P 4 minus 1. See this one, 6 minus 1, P 4 minus 1, and it is 4, he is included. Then 1 must be excluded here. 1 must be excluded. So 1 is excluded and he is 6 minus 1, P. It is total number is taken to be 4. That is, it is nothing but 5P4 excluded. 5P4 is what? 1 is excluded and 4 are recruited. And 1 is included, but 5 are recruited into 3 posts. This must be equal to what? 6P4. You can check it out. It is nothing but 5P4. It is nothing but 4 into 5P3. Let us see this. 5P4 is nothing but 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 plus 4 into 5 into 4 into 3. You can take 5 into 4 into 3 common, and within the brackets you have 2 plus 4, which is nothing but 6 into 5 into 4 into 3, which is nothing but 6P4. You can see that. With this example, you might have understood. There are 6 people attending for an interview for 4 different posts. And among them, 1 has recommendation, that is why he must be included. He is included in 4 different ways. And the remaining posts, remaining people are recruited, and this is including a particular person. So to include this particular person, a particular person must be excluded even though he is talented. So that is why that particular person is excluded and 4 posts are recruited. That is 5P4 plus 4 into 6 minus 1 PR minus 1 is equal to 6P4. I have shown you the simplification also here. So understand, this is, when you see this one, don't see this as a formula. It is n plus 1 PR. It's not even n plus 1 total number of things are there, and R things are taken at a time. From n plus 1, only n things are chosen here, and n things are chosen here, and R things are taken, of course. So 1 is always excluded here. In this one, 1 is excluded, and here also 1 is excluded. That means in both the cases, 1 is excluded to include a particular person. So this is a particular person included, this is a particular person excluded. Okay, now if you take an example on this problem, the letters of the word flower taken 4 at a time. 4 at a time. 4 at a time. Number 1, always F included. Okay. Number 2, let us see what is always F included. What is always F included? Here, F excluded. Second case. Always F included means what? How many are taken at a time? 4 are taken at a time. So how many are there? Totally 6 are there. From 6, F should be included first. First of all, remember, while working out the problems on permutations and combinations, you have to fulfill the restriction given. What is the restriction here? F should always be included. It can be included in how many different ways? 4 different ways. Either this or this or this or this. That means F is somewhere there. How many places are remaining? 3 places are remaining. In these 3 places, how many letters are remaining now? F is already included. How many letters are remaining? 5 are remaining. So 4 into 5P3. 4 into 5P3. Now F to be always excluded. F to be always excluded means remove F, and how many are remaining? 5 are remaining. For the 5, how many places are there? 5P4. Without any restriction, how many are there? Without any restriction, 6 are there, 4 are taken at a time. It must be 6P4. 6P4. So if you add these two, you must get this one 6P4. Then I hope you might have understood this in a better way. This is flower. Always F included. Always F excluded. Excluded. So if you add these two, you'll get total number of permutations. Now the thing is, if it is to be converted to a combination, what should be the difference? If it is to be converted to the combination, what should be the difference? And you think in this way, your 6 friends are attending for the entry of 4 posts. These 4 posts are into different fields previously. That is why we applied a permutation. If these 4 posts are into same, what is it? Software development. Let me say, then what makes the difference? Whatever the post is given, he will be satisfied with the recommendation. That means all the posts are similar. All the posts are similar with the same scale, with the same grade, and all are same. In such a case, there is no need of arrangement. So just imagine how this n plus 1 CR can be split now. How this n plus 1 CR can be split now? A particular thing is always to be excluded. A particular person is always to be excluded. Excluded means n plus 1 becomes n. And all are taken NCR. Plus, a recommended person to be included always. A recommended person is to be always included means what? That recommended person has 4 posts to get, so he need not be arranged, because all the posts are not different. They are into software development, means they are all similar posts. That is why this R will not be there in the combination. So what happens here? This becomes NCR minus 1. Understand it? So n plus 1 CR plus NCR minus 1 is equal to n plus 1 CR. N plus 1 CR is equal to NCR plus NCR minus 1. Understand? A particular thing is always excluded, a particular thing is always included. The difference is here arranged, here no need to arrange. That's what the difference between a permutation and a combination. Understand? That means, in this case, you can understand Ganguly is to be always excluded in the cricket team. Sachin is always to be included in the cricket team. Then you will get the total number of combinations. Understand? So, basing on this simple, this formula, you have a previous question on this one. You can see the problem placed on the screen now. Simplify. 47C4 plus sigma 52 minus J C3. J runs from 1 to 5. It's a previous question. That means why I'm discussing this, you can understand the application of this straight away. See, 47C4, here you have n, here you have n. This becomes n plus 1. So I want such a combination here wherein I'll get 47. So what I do, generally we expand sigma from lower to higher, but I'll expand sigma from higher to lower. So I'll substitute 5 here. So 52 minus 5 is nothing but 47C3. One term taken. Then what should it be? Sigma J runs from 1 to 4 now. 52 minus J C3. Understand it carefully now. NCR plus NCR minus 1. You understand this? NCR plus NCR minus 1, which is nothing but n plus 1 CR. N plus 1 CR means the higher value it will take, and for n, 1 will be added. So this becomes what? Just imagine, this becomes what? 47 becomes 48. And among 4 and 3, it takes 4. Because R minus 1, it takes R. 48C4 plus. What should be done? You can imagine now. What should be done? You can place 4 here. Place 4. Then this becomes 48C3 again. Plus. Let us write all the things you will understand. Next, what should be next one? If you write 3, it should be 49C3. If you write 2, it will be 50C3. If you write 1, it will be 51C3. That's all. Everything is expanded now. Now this becomes what? 49C4. If you add that to this one, 50 C4. If you add that to this one, 51 C4. If you add that to this one, 52 C4. Understand it? So when you know this formula, when you apply this formula carefully, you can write this answer directly, please. Okay, that's what it is.